Today we're going to learn the parts of a sentence. When we write good sentences, it helps our reader know what we're talking about. The goal of this lesson is to learn 3 parts of a sentence. Today we'll learn about adjectives, verbs, and subjects. Sentence part 1. We're going to learn about what a subject is. Do you know what a subject is? What is a subject? It can be a person, a place, or a thing. A subject can be a person. An example could be Justin Bieber, your sister, Obama. The subject can be any person you want to talk about. A subject can be a place, like the beach, an amusement park, or Hong Kong. A subject can be a thing, like cards, or a map, or a computer. Sentence part 2. Verbs. What is a verb? Verbs are what the subject is doing. An example can be running. Verbs are an action, movement, something you can do. An example can be dancing, or rollerblading, or snowboarding. What's your favorite thing to do? Sentence part 3. Adjectives. What is an adjective? It describes, it tells us details. It can help us learn more about a subject or about a verb. An adjective can be used to tell about size. In this picture, there is a small orange, a medium orange, and a large orange. An adjective can describe number. There could be 7 basketballs. An adjective can describe shape. We can say the basketball is very round. An adjective can be used to describe color. We can say the shirt is blue, or the girl has pink highlights in her hair. In this example, we'll describe a monster. He has 4 arms. He has blue skin. He has a big eye. He has a square tooth. Adjectives help us understand what something is. Now we're going to make a subject-verb sentence. An example is the dog runs. Dog is the subject and runs is the verb. Now we'll make a subject, verb, adjective sentence. Example, the purple hat fell down. Hat is our subject, it's a thing. Purple is our adjective, it's a color that describes the hat. Fell is the verb. Review. A sentence has a subject, a verb, and an adjective. A subject is a person, place, or thing. Verb is an action. An adjective describes.